more accessories that TOPFIT sent us for review. So one is a mono Y door slide storage box. So this is for the front two doors where you normally put your water bottle or any items for storage within the door compartment. It's essentially like a cup holder, so it prevents any spill from getting into your actual trim itself. Also prevents scratch if you decide to put hard objects in there, like a sport water bottle or even your J1772 adapter. So let's take a look at what it looks like. So again, this is from TOPFIT. High quality material. It seems like the rubber is similar to that of their cup holder. So this goes to the right door. So let's go ahead and get this installed and see how it looks like. So it goes into the slot here. Normally you will put a water bottle, but we have a cyber trash. That's from Evanex. And just any junk that you have in here. You can see it's already scruffled up partially. Any other plastic object, metal object, water bottle, it tends to scratch up this trim because this is hard plastic. So if you get one of these insert, goes in like that, like a glove. It fits perfectly. So now you can actually put hard object in without worrying about it scuffing up your actual plastic interior. So there's one for the passenger side and the driver's side. We'll post a link in the description where you can find it as well. So let's go ahead and toss everything back here. It just gives you that extra protection. So from the driver's side, I have phone mount. Let's see here. Here's a J1772 adapter. So this tends to scratch up, scuff up the inside. Rubik's Cube, not sure why I got that in there. Hand sanitizer. The sport gym bottle. That's metal, so it can't scruffle up this plastic interior. What else I got in here? Snacks and so forth. So you can see you need to get a vacuum to go in here and take all the object out, but if you have one of these, you can just pull this out each time and then just rinse it off. Lastly, I have a rear cargo mat from TOPFIT as well. I have this auto tellers mat, but this is more for pets. If you have pets, it has a soft texture. So you can store this away if you like, but if you want extra protection for your cargo space, it also protects the side liner, carpet, as well as the back seat. Let me show you how it looks like. So you can see it protects the side liner as well as the rear of the actual rear seats. And then you have your left side liner. So if you have pets, this is perfect for it. And it's a soft texture. It's not leather, but it's a soft type of vinyl or fake leather. And it has the diamond cut. So very nice, very simple. I'll also post a link where you can find this as well in the description. Again, from TOPFIT. You still have access to your hidden compartment in the first hidden compartment, but not to the second one. You actually have to lift this up and then actually take this mat off. This has Velcro on each side and the back, so this will stick on like that. And we'll be giving this away to one of the viewers. Check out the description for more details.